It was a difficult journey, even for me to get to the point of saying, I think the hair products are causing these problems. Even when you notice your body change, you're probably not going to point to the product that you've been using and trusting for so long, because I could not believe it. And that's because I didn't understand what you've explained that I educated you on was things happen behind the scenes, and shifting ownership more than once just during the period that I was sharing my digging through social media. These things were happening in real time. And I was learning about that by reading like economics magazine press releases. That wasn't written for me. That was written for investors. I'm a sleuth. Like I'll find what I'm looking for.
Yeah. We
But
connect on that for sure. Yeah.
yeah, like I'm like, I don't know for an answer, like I want to know, but I didn't know what I needed to know, right? Like that's been a journey too.
It was through your exposure and exposing of this information that I was then able to go to my dermatologist because listen, at the time, so that was 5 years ago, premenopause, going through menopause, postmenopause, people, women lose their hair. And so who's to say it's not hormones? And we all, I believe, as women start there. And so when I went to my dermatologist, I said, I'm losing my hair. My scalp is so itchy. Of course, I'm having a contact dermatitis of some kind. So she's going to remedy that on the outside. And then through the course of learning with you and like dealing with all this stuff, I was able to go back with the bottles and say, no, this is causing it. Please look at these ingredients and tell me what to do. And so she changed what I was taking and it helped, but basically just stopping the product was the best remedy of all.